Guys, what's up? I know this isn't going to be properly oriented, but I just wanted to, it's not quite cooking video, just an assembly video. So it's Mother's Day, and I was going to make the steak one, because that was like the gourmet meal, but if you know Raven, she loves her Mexican food. So we made the pork carnitas tacos. I essentially have a few plates ready here. I've warmed the tortillas. It's pretty involved, so I really just wanted to give you guys a quick overview of what went into these, because it's pretty cool. Like, you guys know how bad I simp for HelloFresh. So we have the filling mixture, which is pork, onions, poblano peppers. It's like a chicken stock, a tomato stuff, tomato paste, some seasonings. Yeah, it's pretty involved for the filling. I put some of there's like a Chipotle type stuff that goes in the crema, you'll see. And I added the rest of that to the meat as well. So let's see, I'm just going over here, trying to divvy up the meat between all these. And yeah, like, these are good. This is a lot, We're definitely gonna be stuffed. All right, so got the meat in the shells. This is essentially sour cream. So we made pickled onions. That was part of it. So those are there. You take some of the pickled onion juice, which is salt, pepper, vinegar. They give you a little shot of vinegar. It's the cutest thing. You take some of that and you mix it with sour cream. I added a little lime juice. That's how you make like this crema. It has the chipotle stuff in it that I was just talking about. So let me try and get this. All right, I'm gonna need 2 hands to get this last one. All right, so now I'll put that lime off to the side. So now I gotta drain these. These are the pickled onions. I'm gonna come through, put some of those on. Don't worry, my hands have been thoroughly washed. But yeah, so anyways, I knew Raven was gonna like this better, and when I showed her the 2 options, she puppy-eyed this one. So I was like, all right, well, it's Mother's Day. It's your day. I made her pancakes for breakfast this morning. We went to the store. Pretty easy day. I got her some like mini roses. Alright. Do you want the tomatoes or no? No? Alright, so a little cilantro. So they give some Monterey Jack cheese. You get the baby back there? You got the baby back there? So Raven also has her queso ready to go for these bad boys as well. And yeah, so there you have it. Here, I'll flip you guys back around. She was thinking of making a pico de gallo out of the crushed tomatoes, but I don't think that's necessary. Or it really doesn't matter to us. we're just skipping out on the tomatoes pretty much altogether. We're not huge fans of tomatoes. But yeah, so that's it. There, I'll show you guys the recipe card. And that's it.
Thank you. Love you.
Whoa.
What?
The baby.
What about it?
He's swinging. And these are the roses I got her. And they're actually in dirt. So they can be replanted, which I've already like 3D printed a flower pot for them to go in. So, alright guys, well I just wanted to show you a quick assembly of that. The Carnitas. But yeah, so again, coupon codes, you'll find them in my videos or whatever. Do you want the queso? Want me to heat it up? Or are you good? Okay. Alright. You do like it? Alright, so we're gonna heat up her queso. Yeah, and that's it. I hope everybody had a good Mother's Day. To all the moms out there, hope life's good. Hope chores were light. And I hope you have a good week. Appreciate you guys. Huge shout out to my patrons as always. Love you guys so much. Have a good night.